I'm with Sir.
Joshua Ramos.
Sir, question. Kailan yung best time para makapag-invest in real estate?
Well, the best time to invest in real estate kasi may sabihan, di ba? 5 years ago kasi yun yung mababa yung price. When is the next best time? Now. Now talaga yung the best time. Kasi with the prices, it always goes up. It never goes down talaga with real estate. So yun.
Sa mga nasa sales and marketing ngayon, ano yung masasabi mo? Best advice sa kanila?
Keep showing up lang. Kunyari, lalo na sa sales, lalo na kami sa booth, ganyan. 50% of the battle is showing up na pagtayo sa booth. And the other 50% is grit and excellence na follow-up, pagiging perseverance, yung mga ganun.
Sir, sa mga nasa real estate din ngayon, ano yung magiging best advice mo sa kanila?
Know your market siguro, know your market, know your product, syempre part yun. And then know how to kung hindi ka lang nagbebenta para magkapera, hindi ka lang nagko-commission, you're doing this as something na your client has a problem and you know na matutulungan mo siya with that problem. I'm sure yung mga real estate people alam naman yung mga sinasabi ko. Pero parang always be caring for your clients. Sa yung bottom line na pera, ang bottom line mo is yung well-being ng clients mo.
Giving value pa rin talaga.
Giving value talaga.
Sir, nag-sales din ba kayo before?
This is actually my first job. Fresh grad ako. It was last year. So, first job ko to. Nakabenta. So, tuloy-tuloy na hanggang ngayon. So, 1 year na ako sa sales.
Sir, iba yung tone ninyo eh. Do you believe in God?
Oo naman, I believe in God. Parang every time, have a chapel dyan sa showroom namin dito sa 28th Street sa BGC. Every morning, I always pray parang, Lord, guide me, help me. Ganyan. And then kapag tapos ng manning, ganyan, I always pray na, thank you for this day. Mga simple prayers lang, pero I always dedicate my small wins sa big wins kay God. Pati yung mga losses ko, kay God ko rin parang thank you kasi this is an experience and a learning opportunity.
Nagmamatter po ba na makapag-college para gumanda yung financial this generation?
Well, it's a tricky subject, no? Pero I think you have to play by the game, eh, di ba? Kasi with the system ng Philippines, kapag meron kang degree, mas malaki yung opportunity. So, magmamatter talaga siya with our system. Pero it's not really the only thing that matters, eh. Your grit, your kung paano ka makisalamuha sa tao, network mo, ganyan, yung mga small things. Pero how the structure ng Philippines is created, halaga talaga siya.
Sir, in this generation, ano yung financial advice mo para sa mga gustong yumaman in this generation?
Real estate. Mag-sales kayo, di ba?
Thank you, sir.